Hi, hello friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the second lesson in this series, that is at the supermarket. So this session is entirely classified into 5 chapters. So first one is booking a table. So what all the phrases, question and answers you will be hearing while booking a table. That is what we are going to describe in learn in this series. Okay. So first one, at booking a table, the first question is, do you have a table for two? Do you have a table for two? Yes, please follow me. That is the reply. Yes, please follow me. I booked a table under my name. I booked a table under my name. Sure, may I know your name? That is the reply. I booked a table under my friend's name. So that is an example. So show me a proof. That is the reply. Can I get a window seat? Yes, one is available. Can I get a window seat? Yes, one is available. How long is the waiting time? It's about 10 minutes. How long is the waiting time? It is about 10 minutes. Is outdoor seating open today? Yes, it is open today. Is outdoor seating open today? Yes, it is open today. Can I book a table for tonight? Sure. At what time? Sure. At what time you need the table? You can twist the question like that also. Are reservations required? Not during daytime. Are reservations required? Not during daytime. Do you have space for a group? Yes, we have a big table. Do you have space for a group? Yes, we have a big table. Do you have high chairs for kids? Yes, we do have high chairs for kids. Can I reserve table online? Yes. You can reserve through our website. Can I reserve table online? Yes, through our website. Is there a quiet corner? Yes, at the back of this table. Is parking available? Yes, behind the restaurant. Yes, behind the restaurant. Is this table booked? No, it's free. No, it's free. Can you confirm my reservation? Yes, it's already confirmed. Yes, it's already confirmed. Do you have space for one more person? Yes, we can add a chair. Do you have space for one more person? Yes, we can add a chair. Can I get a table near the window? Is it possible? Yeah, it's available. Yeah, it's available. Please come. Yes, it's available. Please come. Can I change my table? Yes. Which one do you prefer? Can I get change my table, or can I get another table like that? You can ask. So yes, which one do you prefer? Can we get a table near the entrance? Yes. Or else sure, right here. Now we are going to look at the second part. Second part is about ordering food. The dialog pass you'll be using there. So the first one will be, can I see the menu? Yes, here it is. Yes, here it is. What do you recommend? I recommend the grilled chicken or something like that. But you can, the waiter will be telling like, the grilled chicken is popular here. The grilled chicken is popular here. Is this spicy? Is this spicy? Yes, a little. Yes, a little. Do you have vegetarian options? Yes, we have many. Is this gluten free? Yes, it is. What is the soup of the day? What is the soup of the day? Tomato basil soup. Do you serve fresh juice? Yes, we serve, or we have fresh juice. Can you change this without onions? Sure, no problem. Or can you make it without onions? Sure, no problem. Can I get fresh meal? Yes, we do. Can I get fresh meals? Yes, we do. Um, do you have desserts? Yes, today's special is cheesecake. Do you have desserts? Yes, today's special is cheesecake. Can you make it less spicy? Yes, I'll note it. Can you make it less spicy? Yes, I'll note it. Can I get it packed? Yes, after serving. Do you have desserts? Yes, today's special is cheesecake. Oh, already we have done that. So instead of cheesecake, you can order some other desserts like some ice cream salad like that. You can ask. Is this enough for two people? Is this enough for two people? Yes, it is large. How long it will take? It will take around 10 minutes. Can I change my order? Yes, right away. Or else, yes, you can change your order. Now we'll be checking through the third one. So it is asking about the menu. What is special today? What is special today? Today's special is grilled fish. Today's special is grilled fish. What comes with this meal? Rice and salad. You'll be getting a rice and salad, or rice and salad also is a normal answer. What is the dish made of? What is the dish made of? It is made of chicken and herbs, and it is grilled. Okay. What is the most popular dish? So what is the most popular, or which is the most popular dish in your restaurant? So it is like you can say the biryani. Is this drinks do you have, or do you have this drink? Yes. Like which one you want, or how many glasses you want? What desserts are available today? Ice cream and cake. Is this fresh? Yes, it is fresh. What time is the breakfast served? We serve breakfast until 11 a.m. Do you have photos of these dishes? Yes, here is the menu. Is this spicy level adjustable? Yes, mild or medium. Do you have vegan dishes? Yes, 2 items. What is included in the combo? Burger, fries, and drink. Is this dish sharing? Yes, it's not that spicy, so you can share with me. What is the price of this dish? It is rupees 180. So these are all the questions, or your the things which you ask in the uh, restaurant. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the complaints in the restaurant. This, so the customer is telling like, this food is too spicy. So the waiter will be replying, sorry, I'll replace it. My order is late. I'll check immediately. This is not what I ordered. Sorry, I'll change it. The soup is cold. I'll heat it right now. This table is not clean. I'll clean it right away. This plate is cracked. So I'll bring a new one. There is no salt. So I'll give you some salt, or you can add it from this bottle. The portion is very small. I'll inform the chef. The bill is wrong. I'll sorry, we'll replace it. The dessert is melted. Very sorry, we will replace it. So most of the option comes with replace, because it is in the restaurant and where you are going for eating. So most of the options will be replacing. Can we move seats? Yes, please follow me. The wait time is too long. So I'll get them. Or else, sorry, I'll speed up is the right answer. So no, we need more plates. I'll get them. So answers shuffled here. The time is too long. So sorry, we'll speed up. I didn't receive the starter. I'll bring it now. The AC is too cold. I'll reduce it. The fan is too strong. I'll adjust it. So these are all the complaints which we face in the restaurant. So the next last will be asking for the bill. Can I have the bill, please? Yes, here it is. Can we split the bill? Yes, how many ways you want to split? Do you accept cards? Yes, all cards. Do you accept QR? Yes, QR you can scan here. Is service charge included? Yes, it is included. Can I get a printed bill? Yes, one moment. Can I check the bill? Sure, take your time. Can you correct this item? Yes, I'll fix it. Is there any discount? Yes, for members. The bill seems high, or the amount is high. Okay, I'll recheck it, no problem. Do you have change? Yes, I'll bring it right away. Can we pay later? No, do the payment right now, or you have to pay it now. Can I round off the bill? Yes, sure. Can I pay by cash? Yes, accepted. Can I pay by card? Yes, accepted. Can you bring the machine? Yes. One moment. Do you have a loyalty program? Yes, scan here. Can I get a takeaway box? Yes, I'll bring it. Thank you for the service. You're welcome. So these are all the phrases we'll be using inside the restaurant. So we have the activity as usual. So you can complete this activity like, can I see the menu, or may I see the menu? Yes, here it is. So before filling this, you have to read all these things, and then you have to go through this. Okay. So thank you for watching my video. We'll be meeting up in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.